If you want to make money, you should follow these steps because today's strategy is going to revolve around a few of them, okay? Each step is important, so make sure to follow, hit subscribe, and let's go and get them money. Now, this is the website that is going to help us, okay? You know udemy.com. Udemy.com is a place where you can get a lot of these courses and you can learn a lot of new skills. All of these are going to cost, but of course, for today's method, you won't have to invest anything. This is all going to be free. So, first of all, we need to find certain course on Udemy which is going to help us to make money, okay? This is only one step of the method. So, for example, you can just search for anything over here, or you can just scroll through these categories. So you have personal development, you have, office productivity, you have design, marketing, development, whatever you want. So for this strategy, I can choose office productivity. Then you can choose, for example, Oracle, SAP, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and let's choose Google for today. And for example, let's just take the first one, which is Google Sheets. And when you click on it, you'll get a lot of these Google Sheets courses, or you can just type that in. Type in Google Sheets, click enter, and you're going to get all of these courses which are related to that, okay? Now, you can see that you actually have to pay, for example, $10 for this lecture, okay? You can see that it was $85, but Udemy also has these discounts all the time, but we don't want to spend money here. We want to make money. To be honest, I never like these methods where you just have to invest something to get something back. No, we today only make money. So what not a lot of people know about is that Udemy has some free courses, okay? You can just type in free courses on Udemy and you can just click on the first link, and then you're going to be redirected in here where you can just find a lot of these free courses. You can just scroll down and you will find a lot of these, okay? And you can see that these are pretty nicely rated. So 4.5, 4.5, 4.6. People are really satisfied with these free courses. And you have topics, you have personal productivity as well. You have a lot of these subcategories. So maybe you can choose something. Now, there is also one more way, and there are a lot of hidden courses. I don't know why Udemy does this, but there are a lot of hidden courses. Just take a look at this website, udemyfreecourses.org. If you head over and get inside of this, you can just tap in Google Sheets in here, for example, because we have just taken care of that. Click on the search button, and you will see that you have a lot of these Google Sheets tutorials, instructions. Basically, they're all free courses. And when you click on some of these courses, you're gonna be redirected to Udemy itself. This is a hidden strategy, guys. And you can see now I'm on udemy.com, where you can see this is a free tutorial. It has 1 hour on-demand video. It has good ratings, and you can just go and enroll right now. Okay, so you can enroll and you can get this course for free, but of course, we want to make money on this, and there's going to be a lot of money. So what do you want to do next? Click on this course, click on the start course, and you'll be redirected inside of it. You can see on the right hand side here, you have all the steps necessary, okay? You have a lot of these sections, and basically you just now go and watch the course. The main step that we need to do is we need to take this video, we need to take this course, and we want to sell it as our own. Now, how are we going to do that? You can't download this course, okay? So it is forbidden to download, but there is a catch, guys. Just take a look at this. There is transcript button, okay? When you click on the transcript button, you will get the whole text for each one of those paragraphs. For each one of those sections, you get this whole text, okay? Now, this is free to take. You can just copy whole this text and you can just paste that anywhere, okay? So you can just copy this. This is free to take. You can download the video, but you have the transcript, and that's something. That is something that we can lean on, and we can utilize that in order to make money for ourselves. So now what we want to do is we want to open Google Docs. That's going to be simple. Open new doc, open blank document, and now paste that entire text inside of here, okay? Now, what I suggest is that you make this easier for you, and you just name this by these steps, okay? You have all these steps to the left left-hand side here. Let me just close this down, and you can name it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then you can edit this out so you can read it afterwards, okay? Or you can use text-to-speech software, which is gonna do it for you, all right? So basically, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna recreate this course with the text-to-speech software and recording of your own screen. So you can just copy what this person is doing inside of that Google Sheet. And you can use this software, which is going to record your screen, okay? You don't have to show your face. This is a good software, OBS Studio. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to go over to Skillshare, okay? You know that Skillshare is another website where you can get these courses, but on Skillshare, you can become a teacher. Just scroll down and click on this button, Become a Teacher, guys. Click on Become a Teacher, and you will see the next information. Just take a look at this. Top earning teachers make $100,000 each year, okay? So this is good money, guys. What you want to do, you want to start a class on Skillshare. Of course, you want to make yourself an account first, and then with the help of this course, you're just going to take the transcript, you're going to put it somewhere where you can read it out, and you're going to record your screen, basically copying what this person is doing, okay? So it is going to take a little bit of time, but when you become a teacher on Skillshare, guys, that's gonna be there forever, okay? So you only do this once, and the course is there forever, okay? And a lot of people are gonna buy it. Now, the good thing about Skillshare is that they have this new teacher program where they support you, okay? So Skillshare's new teacher programs are designed to support new teachers at every step in their journey to become successful on Skillshare, okay? It is a simple process, guys. You will just create your first class, and I've just shown you what you can use, what you can utilize. This is gonna be for free. You just have to invest a bit of your time into making this course. You take that transcript and you just record your screen, just like this person. You can just watch it, and then you can just copy everything he does. Later, of course, you can just edit that video out, and I suggest using this one if you are a beginner because it is really user-friendly. There's not a steep learning curve. OpenShot Editor. This is called OpenShot Editor, and you can just get it for free, of course, and it is really simple to use, okay? So this strategy will require some time and some effort from your side, guys, but just take a look at this. You'll be paid monthly for every member who watches your class forever, okay? So this is good because you only make this once, okay? You make it once, and then it's out there. Then it's a finished product, which can make you huge amounts of money just based on that, okay? Just based on the fact that it is on the Skillshare platform. So all that is left now is for you to apply. This is gonna take 10 minutes. Just apply as a teacher on Skillshare. And then remember this, Udemy free courses. Search through thousands of free online courses and do this in any category you like, okay? Maybe you like something, maybe you have passion for something. So you don't have to use Google Sheets. You can use whatever you want. There are a lot of courses. You can just recreate them. I've shown you how to get that transcript by clicking on this button, and now it all depends on you guys. If you invest a bit of your time into this, it is going to pay out. It is going to be profitable, and you're going to be really, really satisfied, guys. Once you get your foot on, maybe you can reach these heights and get a lot of money each year, guys. So just go and do it. Take the action, guys. Don't be lazy, and I'll catch you.